What's up, everyone? In today's short video, I'm going to be talking about 10 life lessons people learn too late. And you know what? I want you to avoid these mistakes, all right? Let's head into number 1. The biggest risk is taking no risk. Life itself is a risk. Living is a risk. So you have to do something. And that is why I love investing. Rather than keeping my money without doing anything, I'd rather put it in an investment that has low risk that can give me returns. So the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Number 2, everything is temporal. Nothing is permanent. Everything keeps changing. If you notice, between last year and 5 years ago, a lot of things have changed. Now we're talking about the metaverse. Now we're talking about virtual reality. The world is changing. Embrace change. Don't think everything is permanent. Number 3, you make things bigger just by overthinking. Rather than think, why don't you come up with a solution? Instead of causing the darkness, why don't you light up a candle? Can you figure this out? So, make your life easier. Don't overthink. Thinking doesn't change the situation, but constructive thinking and bringing up ideas can get you out of your situation, from stuck to freedom. Number 4, a lifetime isn't forever. How else am I supposed to explain this? A lifetime isn't forever. Number 5, it doesn't matter what people say and feel about you. Not everyone will like you. Okay? Sometimes we are trying to impress the whole world. But actually, there are few people you need to impress. The number 1 person you need to impress is yourself. The number 1 person you need to improve is yourself. The number 1 person that you need to put on the spot to improve on daily basis and learn is yourself. Start with yourself. Understand you cannot impress everyone and move on. Be you and do you. Number 7, happiness is 100% your choice. Happiness is 100% your choice. I think this is number 6. This is number 6. Happiness is 100% your choice. You will have the right to be happy or to be sad or to be bitter. So get off that feeling of depression. Fight for your happiness. You deserve to be happy. Number 7 now. No one can feel your pain, only you. You are the one wearing your shoes. It's your journey. It's your pain. You know where it's pinching you the most. So manage yourself. Get yourself on the right path, focus on the right things, and move on with life. Number 8, you can't satisfy your greed. Human being, we are insatiable. You get to this level, you want the next level. You get to that level, you want more. If you can even learn how to tone it down, just be moderate, it will be super cool. Number 9, your knowledge is never complete. You keep learning. The biggest room is the room for improvement. Keep learning, guys. Pay for knowledge, because when you do, the return on investment is 1,000%. Quote me anytime, any day. So many skills I have learned has given me more than 1,000% return on investment, and I'm not joking about it. And of that, I'm going to talk about my INVESTWISE course. Do you feel like you don't know where to start with in your investment journey, in your stock journey? I'm going to simplify it for you, all right? So you can click on the link below and join us. And we also have a $2 per day challenge. Why don't you step in and just grab this opportunity and you see yourself go to the next level. Number 10, our mind is our best friend and our worst enemy. So there is always the battle of the minefield. What do you choose? The good or the bad? Why don't you change your circle? Because when you have positive people, they think of positive things, they bring positive ideas, your life is filled with positive things, and you make the right decision. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have, please subscribe and like, and watch all the videos that are inspirational, that are motivational, and that are educational. See you in the next video. Bye.